Looking for ways to expand the capabilities of your handheld laser scanning devices and make the most of their potential? The LiGrip H300, a game changer equipped with an enhanced XT32M laser, experiences rapid 32-channel scanning up to 300 meters with a point cloud density of up to 640,000 points per second. From main and distribution network inspections to drone-mounted scanning and fast-paced vehicle-mounted scenarios, LiGrip H300 delivers exceptional performance. Weighing in at just 1.65 kilograms, it ensures effortless handling during prolonged operations. Its integrated Leica camera system enhances image quality by 135% more than the previous model. Even in challenging environments like tunnels and low-light areas, expect exceptional clarity and accuracy. Through time-lapse photography, image volume is reduced by impressive 40 times, boosting data processing efficiency. Its RTK plus PPK mode allows for high-precision SLAM with absolute coordinate accuracy of up to 5 centimeters, even in core signal-free areas. Real-time data processing and closed-loop feedback streamline your workflow like never before. Seamless integrate with LiDAR 360 post-processing software, unleashing the full potential of mining modeling, volume calculation, single tree segmentation, species identification, mesh modeling, and more. With LiDAR 360 MLS software, effortlessly measure floor plans and elevations, conduct urban road census surveys, and achieve one-stop result output across various scenarios. Maximize the value of your equipment and take on any challenge with confidence using the LiGrip H300, the epitome of precision and performance.